médico especialista na inhat husinação Austrália, foi operação para paciente labari kamotuk na inhat nolo. Sábado fim de semana ne, ia hengeve, equipa médico cirurgia plástico, husinação Canguru Austrália, na inhat, composto husi enfermeira na rua, no operador na ida, se foi operação para labari kamotuk hat nolo. Atividade operação husi médico especialista australiano sirane, lau durante semana ida nelarang, e Hospital Nacional Guido Valladares, operação ne halo balabarik sira, ne beho mora sanesang ibun sakat no seluktang.
Timor for the second time this year, but this is in fact the 55th time that we have visited East Timor to do this sort of work since the year 2000. And we're seeing mostly babies and older children with cleft lip and palate. Some patients who have some of the deformities that develop after burns are not treated adequately. So it's the whole range of plastic surgical problems, but mainly for the children who have cleft lip and palate.
So is this
Here at Hospital National Guido Valladares, so when we first started it was Rumah Sakit Umum Dili. So right from 2000 we have worked with local staff, nurses, doctors, and our main counterpart, Dr. João Zimenez, he's not here today because he's away studying in Cuba. But we've got other young doctors and the nurses who are here to help and learn from our team while we're here.
So what do you see about the enthusiasm of the families or parents to take their children this morning to here?
Yeah, it's a challenge because a child with a cleft lip and palate problem has both an appearance problem but also a functional problem. So whilst people often focus on how they look, it's also how they speak and how their teeth work and all those things. And if those don't work properly, then sometimes they don't do so well at school. So if we can do as many of these children and teach local staff how to do this, we can try and do the initial operations at the right time, because it's really important to try and do.
Silviana dos Reis Araújo Hateteng, hanesang inang husi uang Clauriacia Maria da Silva, senti contenti, banhira hetang informação iha media katak, cirurgia plástico husi Austrália, semi fo consulta no halo operação ba bebê, no labarik siraho ibun sakat no selutang. Silviana rasik nini uang sofre ibun sakat, husi kedas bebê, no momento neba, médico sira labele hala operação, tama seho idade bebê.
One service saudi.
Jadi bebés tambah todos traen se mayoría pues harega por la barra y no voy a tener nada porque lo otra será mai si decía también mañana puede ser otro era ni mai un sur tiga puluh kali untuk ini kalau ansia misalnya harus kasih harus sisir tratamiento pueden sisir
Para narasate di binibunge.
Abim sih masih municipio na Penang. Na abim sih ron informação se na Penang kadang na eu si
Mas oleh mai
halo tratamento badalena.
Mas oleh mai ni doktor sira halo na atendimento liu bayar registração.
Agora é aquele processo, né? Não nada completo, nada completo se viana
Portanto, equipa médico sirane, halo tratamento para paciente sirane be homora sanesang, ibun sakat bye-bye, cliff lip simples, bemanas luas no seluktang. No total paciente nebe resisto hodisimu tratamento hamutuk naing atus ida 50 resintolu, maioria mai husi município dele. Ihamos equipa médico australiano, nebe fo tratamento hamutuk siranaing had, composto husi especialista cirurgia plástico ida, anestesia ida, no enfermeiro operador rua. Reportagem Imaculada Tefa, Televisão Timor Post.
Janela informação ba emohoto. Atau tem informação atual dia kliu, kita haluha. Haneham botão subscribe, like. Halo comentário no fahe tutang ba media sosial hotu.